Well, Patty Culhane joins us now live from Washington, D.C. Patty, very good to have you with us. So we have seen in the past some scrutiny on Capitol Hill from progressive Democrats over the U.S. support for Israel amid the dire situation in Gaza. But now, with Republicans in charge of both the House and the Senate, this seems like a very strong show of support for the government of Benjamin Netanyahu.
It is, and it's not just because what the bill does. It does very little, actually, and even I think some of the proponents will admit that they don't really have the tools to target the ICC. It matters because of when it's happening. The new Congress has just been sworn in, days old. One of the first pieces of legislation is to sanction the ICC. Now, this is, I think, important to remember. It wasn't just Netanyahu and Gallant that were issued arrest warrants. The ICC also targeted 3 of the top Hamas commanders. 2 we know have been killed by Israel. We believe the 3rd one was as well. But still, the Republicans wasting no time to bring this bill up, and all Republicans in the House voted for it, along with 45 Democrats, as a show of just how much support there is for this Israeli government. So what does it actually do? Well, it sanctions members of the ICC and those who help them with this investigation. What does sanctioning these people mean? Well, it means if they have assets or property in the U.S., which seems unlikely, those can be frozen, and they can also be denied visas to come to the United States. The bill also says the U.S. needs to claw back any money it gives to the ICC, which you might be thinking could be a big problem. However, it is law passed by Congress that the U.S. cannot give any money to the ICC. Remember, Israel and the U.S. are not signatories to the International Criminal Court. Now, they did loosen the bill a little while ago in order to make sure that they could give about $5 million to a fund that helps victims of war. They could try to claw that money back. Not sure it would have that big of an impact. Still, the Republican Senate leadership, now that they're in charge, they say they're going to take this up pretty quickly. Seems likely they'll wait till former President Donald Trump is in office on January 20th to have him sign the bill. But it is going to get passed. Whether it'll have much of an impact remains to be seen.
All right, Patty, thank you so much for all of that. Patty Culhane, live for us from Washington, D.C.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.